Hello friends, I am Dr. Mohua Shikdar. I am a consultant diabetologist in Bardhaman and in Kolkata. Today we will be talking on hypertension and COVID-19 and what we can do those who are having hypertension in this COVID-19 era. First of all, we have to know one thing, that we should not panic about COVID-19. We should not panic. First, most important thing. Next, we should know certain symptoms of COVID-19. That is, we all should know. Number one, if you have any cough, throat pain, or fever, and if you have diarrhea, this type of symptom, you may think of having COVID-19 symptoms. But for this also, you should not panic. You should consult your doctor so that doctor will check everything, check your vital status. They will test your blood. Then only it will be confirmed. But don't panic. Next, what we have to know regarding hypertension, that it is one of the leading causes of premature death worldwide, and India is also seeing an escalating incidence of hypertension and hypertension mediated disease, and which is creating a huge burden on the health economy of Indian patients. So first of all, hypertension we have to treat properly. If we are not treating it, it can lead to several disease like heart disease, stroke, etc. So for that we have to know a little bit about hypertension. At present, in India, around 25% people are suffering from hypertension. And a few things what we have to do during this COVID-19 era, like the general measure which we are giving, which we are telling for all general population, that is also same for hypertensive patients. Like you have to wash your hand frequently, you have to put mask on you are going when you are going out, you have to keep a safe distance of 3 to 6 feet apart from each other if you are going out. And if you cannot wash your hands, you have to sanitize well properly. These are the few general measures you can do. Next, what you can do for hypertensive, particular for hypertensive measures, you have to take proper medicine at proper time, what your doctor has prescribed. If your blood pressure is not under good control, then please consult your doctor. Don't hesitate to consult your doctor in this time, because during lockdown and during that always you are sitting at home, so and there is also some stress related to your work, so there could be your blood pressure may vary huge this time. So you have to consult your doctor and you have to take proper medications, and don't panic. That is most important thing. These are the few measures. If you can follow these things, I think we can win over this situation very soon. Hypertension or high blood pressure is also known as a silent killer, which actually has become a huge crisis, global crisis. So we should know more about hypertension, and especially in this COVID-19 era. So to know more about hypertension and COVID-19, what we have to do, if we know some myths and its related facts, then we can know hypertension properly and we can escape its ill effect due to hypertension. So during this lockdown period, people are definitely worried about their hypertension status, their family members or friends' hypertension status. So your this concern is really well founded. So let us discuss few hypertension myths and few facts about that myths. So number one myth is I should worry about COVID-19 if I have hypertension. This is not correct, because if you have hypertension, you don't have any extra risk of getting COVID-19 infection. What you can have, if your hypertension is not under control, then you may have, if you have COVID-19, then you may have higher risk of getting the complications related to COVID-19. So it is not correct that if you have hypertension you are more prone to get infection. Number two myth is the hypertension medicine is not safe in this COVID-19 infection era. This is not correct, because all hypertensive, antihypertensive medicines which we are giving for our patient to control the blood pressure, all are safe. Problem is, if your blood pressure or hypertension is not under control, then only there is a problem. Number three myth is I should not go to consult my doctor. This is again not correct, because in this lockdown period your blood pressure may vary a huge range. Your blood pressure may go down, your blood pressure may go up. So you have to consult your doctor to check the medicines what you are taking for hypertension is correct or not. Number four myth is I should not go out and unnecessarily put myself at risk for getting COVID-19 symptoms, and I should not go to consult my doctor. This is also not correct. If you are going out for any reason, particularly to consult your doctor, please take preventive measures like put some mask on your face, repeatedly wash your hand, keep a safe distance of 3 to 6 feet apart from each other. So these things you can do, and you can consult to visit your doctor's clinic. My next myth is my diabetes control is not related with my hypertension control. This is again not correct, because it has been seen that most of the diabetic complications are often we get more in patients those hypertension is not under control. So your diabetes control and your hypertension control is both are interrelated and very much related to each other. Both you have to control in this crisis moment. And the last myth of the day is I am not going out, I cannot go out, so I cannot exercise. This is again a myth. You have to do exercise. Even if you are not going out, at home itself you can do lot many varieties of exercise, like you can stand, you can jog at one place, you can do yoga, you can do asanas, you can do stretching exercise. Please do that at home. Please do it at safe places. Even if you are not going out, you are absolutely safe to do all the exercise at your home. So at the end, I just want to wish all of you a very good health. Please be safe and keep other people also safe, and please be healthy. And all of us are, if we are doing these things put together, all together, always, then there will be, we will definitely win over this situation. Thank you all.